Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close all the tab. Yes, yes. Okay. Now, the next one that we are going to look into is we want to see how to use the criteria. Or, for example, I want to look for people who who has paid more than 3,000. My client who paid me more than 3,000, or has current due that's more than 3,000. So what I can do here is I go to query design again, my client, closed, client number, client name, and amount paid and current due. So for example, I said my criteria is more than 3,000. I just put more than 3,000 here. And when I go and view, I see that, hey, okay, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Or if I'm interested in good clients, meaning they have current due which are 0. So I would say use N, and I would say and their current due is 0. So when I view back, I have only this. Okay, and the next thing, this is using N. If I want to use, let me just save this query. Save. Okay. Let me create a new one. Query design. Now, sorry, I don't need this. I will just remove table. So again, okay. Right now, say I am interested with people who has amount paid that's more than 3,000, or the current due is 0. So when I go back and view, I can see that I have more entries here. Okay, so these are the list of people that have more than 3,000 and with 0. Okay, amount is basically the same list that I have for here before this. If I were to say okay, more than 5,000, and I can see that this too falls into the category of amount paid more than 5,000, and I have another 2 entries with the categories of current due that is more than 0. So this is the difference between N and R. Inside the design view, you make sure if it's criteria N, you put it at the same row. If it's R, you put it at the next row.